Disasters strike unexpectedly, but with innovative technology, we can better prepare and protect ourselves against their devastating effects. From tornadoes to floods and avalanches, let's explore some cutting-edge solutions that are revolutionizing disaster preparedness and response. According to meteorological data, tornadoes occur approximately every 24 hours in the United States, creating a demand for tornado shelters. Valley Storm Shelters, a top manufacturer in this industry, offers both above-ground and underground shelters. Their above-ground shelters are constructed to withstand winds of up to 482 kilometers per hour, featuring walls made with 6 mm thick steel plates and sturdy doors weighing around 140 kilograms. For protection against rockfalls, landslides, and debris flow, Geoberg solutions are deployed globally. These solutions, such as rockfall barriers, are recognized for their world record energy absorption, capable of handling up to 10,000 K. Geoberg also offers underwater solutions for coastal erosion prevention and infrastructure safeguarding. In emergency situations requiring mass evacuation, EUROS-1 escape chutes are essential. Found in dormitories, schools, and facilities across 80 countries, these chutes enable evacuation speeds of up to 5 people per minute and can carry a maximum load of 1.2 tons. In buildings lacking escape chutes, emergency services rely on SP-16 cushions capable of withstanding jumps from heights of up to 25 meters. Resqme, a German company specializing in water rescue gear, offers a compact rescue system weighing only 160 grams, yet providing 50 newtons of buoyancy. This system, priced at $53, surpasses the capabilities of many life jackets and is utilized in over 70 different events and courses worldwide. Aqua EY, the world's first sonar, equipped with artificial intelligence algorithms, enables lifeguards to scan 4,000 square meters of water in just 2 minutes, pinpointing the exact location of individuals. With 8 hours of search time on a single charge, Aqua EY is suitable for saltwater use and costs approximately $4,000. In earthquake-prone regions, engineers are developing technologies for earthquake-resistant buildings. Stanford University, for example, has tested earthquake-resistant buildings resting on 12 mobile components, successfully enduring simulated earthquakes of magnitude 11 on the Richter scale. The CH-15 respirator hood revolutionizes protection against chemical, biological, radiation, and nuclear threats with its ultra-thin design. Offering at least 15 minutes of respiratory, eye, and face safeguarding, the CH-15 respirator hood is easy to don in under 10 seconds and can be worn with glasses, making it a versatile solution for various emergency situations. Imagine shaking a sugar bowl. Just like the biggest sugar clumps rise to the top, BCA Float E2 avalanche control backpacks ensure wearers end up on or close to the surface during an avalanche. The BCA Float E225, weighing just 2.7 kilograms with the cushion, offers features like ski and snowboard bindings, along with a built-in radio, available for $1,200. The creators of Batan 2 have developed one of the most adaptable, battery-powered firefighting fans on the market. Lightweight and compact, the Bat Fan 2 serves multiple purposes, including blowing or extracting air and functioning as a foam generator or a positive pressure ventilation device. Depending on the model, it operates for 20 or 45 minutes on a single charge, with 2 fans fitting into a car's trunk. 3 flood protection systems offer innovative solutions for safeguarding against floods. Guppy, A flexible polymer pipe filled with water can cover a 30.5 meters long area, as long as the water doesn't rise above 58 centimeters. The Noke box wall assembles quickly, safeguarding an area of around 625 square meters in 23 minutes with just 2 people. Nautilus provides adaptable barrier fitting windows, doorways, and garage door, offering flood protection up to 1.76 meters high. Inspired by traditional Inuit igloos and origami techniques, the dome is a tested product designed to withstand strong winds and temperature differences. These domes provide quick and safe shelter for hikers in case of emergencies near hiking trails. Beep Robotics introduces the X20, a robotic tool for rescuers equipped with artificial intelligence algorithms. Running for 4 hours on a single charge, the X20 conducts independent search operations and adeptly climbs stairs and maneuvers slopes. Corporal CPR is a unique device for cardiopulmonary resuscitation, automatically adjusting compression depth and allowing modifications to the compression rate. With a single charge lasting 90 minutes, Corporal CPR costs around $30,000. Use-safe devices, like the one located on a beach in Portugal, serve as advanced lifesavers, capable of speeding up to 15 km/h and pulling a distressed person to safety. Designed to work smoothly in saltwater, Use-safe covers a distance of 6 kilometers on a single charge. The hot seat system aids in rescue missions, allowing victims to be transported semi-upright. With a load capacity of up to 227 kilograms, Hot Seat is invaluable for daring escapes and rescue operations, available for $720. Firepower introduces the world's tiniest fire extinguisher, the FP50 version, fitting comfortably in a hand and packing more effectiveness than many standard extinguishers. Running for about 12 seconds and weighing only 480 grams, it handles fires in an area of 0.2 square meters, priced at $15. This system, resembling a large mug, serves the purpose of casting a pilot line for cables and ropes in rescue operations, coined as the line thrower. The model on the screen propels a 4 mm diameter rope up to 300 meters, with a smoke trail left by the projectile, indicating the accuracy of the shot. Easy to use and manageable by a single person, its reliability meets the standards of the International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea. When outdoor enthusiasts go missing in the forest or mountains, a rescue team with the Resqme system steps in. Loaded onto a helicopter, it allows them to scan a square kilometer in just 6 minutes, detecting special reflectors on clothing and gear. Over 200 manufacturers, including the North Face and Helly Hansen, incorporate them from factory. Then there's the Finder system, equally impressive, which uses radar to detect the heartbeats of people trapped under rubble. Developed with experts from NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, this system aided rescuers after the earthquake in Nepal. Over 300 million students worldwide face a daily earthquake risk, leading to the creation of classrooms with sturdier desks. These desks, resembling regular ones, can withstand the impact of a 1-ton block of reinforced concrete and are manageable for 2 students to move. The Mark III, not just a model of the Iron Man suit, is also a pump crafted for firefighters, ideal for forest work. Packing a 10.7 horsepower engine tailored for battling wildfires, it delivers about 26 bars and pumps 379 L per minute, now 20% more compact and 30% lighter than earlier versions. During fires, gas leaks, and emergencies, Exit congestion is common. To sidestep panic chaos and save time, Slide to Safety was devised. These slides activate in 6 seconds and enable evacuating around 30 people per minute, installed under any accessible window up to the 4th floor. Meet SafeBack SBX, the world's first active air supply system for snow survival, claiming a 90-minute survival capability. Ensuring oxygen delivery and addressing excess CO2 removal, it's compact and slots effortlessly into a 40L backpack, available for $700. There are many rescue systems for buildings, but not all cater to bedridden patients. Escape Rescue addressed this issue by creating a system designed to accommodate people on gurns or in wheelchairs, ensuring reliable protection from smoke and fire even during power outages. It's claimed to be the only system with such advantages, and it takes about 4 minutes to prepare for use. Interestingly, Escape Rescue is deployed in one of Israel's major hospital complexes. In 2005, heavy rainfall caused a massive flow of rock and mud into Switzerland's Trackback River, damaging several buildings, roads, and even a railroad. To prevent similar incidents, specialists set up a combined protection system featuring GOB mesh barriers, with just 3 pieces capable of containing up to 12,000 cubic meters of rock. Another advancement comes from MAA Ferry, offering protection systems in the Philippines, especially along local roads prone to landslides. The next advancement is an inflatable PVC boat named Rescue Tipboard, suitable for ice operations, accelerating rescue operations 6-fold. It inflates in just 30 seconds, folds neatly, and can be effortlessly carried by one person in a dedicated backpack. Instant Relief, playfully dubbed the Anti-Tanic, unfolds in 2 minutes and resembles a 30-square-meter waffle capable of keeping dozens afloat. The Cytex Zodiac ESS, on the other hand, deploys twice as fast, accommodating over 100 people on board. Why stick to sandbags for flood protection when there's tube barrier? This system beats bags in practicality, with a team of 4 people able to set up 100 meters of tube barrier in just an hour. Similarly, FR specializes in tailored flood protection, crafting panels from marine-grade materials. Just add water, fast, easy, and no mess, says the Floodworks creators about their protective barrier. Made of 1.2-meter-long blocks, it stands at a convenient 30 centimeters height and stays stable when filled with water. KJI, fitting on your wrist, supports up to 127 kilograms on water surface and comes with a compass and a whistle, priced at $80. Flood break barriers, safeguarding homes, businesses, and government buildings from water since 2002, boast a fully automatic operation without electricity or gasoline, rising gradually with incoming water. On March 11, 2023, a plane departing from Brazil's Puglia airport faced a malfunction on board. Fortunately, the CAP system came to the rescue. When activated, it deployed a special emergency parachute, allowing the plane to land safely. CAPs safeguards passengers in various emergencies, such as engine failures, nosedives, and collisions, with just the push of a button, enabling the pilot to activate the system, which not only releases the parachutes but also lands the plane automatically. Additionally, the company introduced Safe Return, an automatic landing autopilot system for the Cirrus Vision SF-50 light jet aircraft, claiming that the combination of CAPs and Safe Return sets a new standard, providing utmost safety, control, and comfort for pilots and passengers worldwide. The LU Nano is a robotic electric vehicle designed for firefighting situations, particularly useful in scenarios where firefighters face challenges reaching the fire easily due to its intensity, high heat, or challenging terrain. With 2 engines, it can carry up to 250 kilograms or tow loads of up to 500 kilograms, making it perfect for transporting equipment and evacuating victims. It can reach speeds of up to 15 km/h and has a ground clearance of 15 centimeters for rough terrain. Additionally, it can be placed on rails using special accessories. Electric car fires pose significant challenges for firefighters, even after extinguishing the flames. The E-Vehicle Isolation System, EIS, is designed to address these issues. Resembling a flexible cover, it forms a protective bubble when wrapped around a vehicle and filled with water. The EIS is suitable for vehicles weighing up to 3.5 tons and can handle loads of up to 8.5 tons. Its walls are resistant to various chemicals, including lithium hexafluorophosphate, commonly found in batteries. Plus, the EIS can be reused several times. Man overboard? It's time to use Pelican. This rescue system captures, restrains, and lifts victims from the water. Unfortunately, Pelican's website has been inactive for some time, and its Kickstarter campaign fell short, raising less than a quarter of the intended amount. Manufactured in Germany, it can be easily installed on any side of a yacht, is ready for immediate use, and can be used to rescue both people and cargo. The creators of Shark Safe Barrier are dedicated to their work, and their product has been featured in scientific journals and tested along the challenging South African coast. Shark Safe Barrier is an effective and eco-friendly shark defense system, mimicking a dense thicket of algae, deterring burrowing sharks from swimming through. The system is attached using magnets, contributing to its effectiveness. Over 4 years of testing on various sharks, including great white sharks, SharkSafe proved to be 100% effective, making it an excellent solution for tourist destinations with high beach traffic. Self-rescuers, also known as gas masks, are typically disposable masks designed for short-term use, ideal for emergencies like fires and smoke. Displayed is the ZEVU model, suitable for adults and children over 12, safeguarding against carbon monoxide, nitrogen and sulfur dioxides, ammonia, acrylon, and other threats for 15 minutes. Ice rescue systems offer products designed to rescue people on the ice, including unique rescue slings capable of supporting up to 1,360 kilograms and providing 8 kilograms of buoyancy. These slings serve as harnesses and life jackets and are suitable for use on water and snow. What do you think of these groundbreaking solutions? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, staying informed and prepared is key to facing any emergency with resilience. Until next time, stay safe and stay prepared.